Okay, now we have a LCD display. This one's got an RGB backlight, which the camera probably won't let me show you much colour changes, but believe me, it does change colour. So let's open him up. Boop. COM11, which I know my Pico is on. So let's just run it and then we'll see. So here you got all the controls. Now create doesn't work. Special custom characters do not seem to work on this LCD. This is taken from the 88740 chip, so you might have better luck with that. So if I write text, you'll see it says hello LabVIEW. If we clear, we update it, put a GWH on the end, and write it again, you go hello LabVIEW GH. And clear. So you got controls, you can go to rows and columns and set things. Yeah, I think you can, let's put blink on, let's see if that works. Boop. I think that has to go to the right character to blink. So, don't know how blink works. Don't know what display does either. Let's have a look. This is Derek's original driver, so it may be more for his. But anyway, so what we got the LCD coming up. Then we can set the backlight as well. Blonk. So you can see here it's lit up, which on the camera makes everything less clear, but actually if you're in front of it, it looks quite nice. So if I set it to red again in the camera, you probably won't see a change in the hue. I make it black. You may just see that. Oh yeah, that looks really nice on the camera. So it shows up nicely. So you can use the backlight to give different effects as well. So that works quite well. If we then look at the code, you can see it's a standard sort of setup. We're setting our pins, I2C. There's two connectors on the Pico that can talk. But here we're sharing one to do two things. So you can see we're actually connecting. This is where the session based stuff comes in nice. So it's actually setting setting up the I2C. So this is I2C0, I2C0, and it's setting up the Grove LCD display and the RGB. So if we set backlight, it will do something to the RGB. If we write, it will write the text. And that's how it works. So all these drivers are available in the peripherals bit, so you can build your own things. But you can just use the example as well.